Alright people, here I'm going to start my trek to the Morakale Gala. This is a small hillock which we saw from the top of Yahangala very beautifully at the edge of Velangolla Patana. So I'm going to start my trek to Morakale Gala, and I'm sure we can see the Yahangala beautifully from there, providing there's no mist. Stay tuned there. Alright, this is the path towards Morakale Peak from the trail branch off towards Yahangala. If we go along this, we should be able to go and see this beautiful place and Velangolla Patana soon. Alright, this is the path towards Morakale Peak. Let's go and have a look. Alright, here I am at one end of the Velangolla Patana on my way to Morakale Gala. In the distance we can now see Kanavidda Gala and Kehelpadduruwe Gala beautifully, and the path leading towards it too. But there's something very special I want to show you. Just look at this view, people. To the extreme right you can see there's a jagged rock sticking out of the Kanavidda Gala. According to the legends and villagers, that is the exact point where Ravana's arrow stuck and broken the rocky ledge, creating this Kanavidda Gala. Very beautiful. This is beautiful Yahangala seen on the plain of Velangolla. We are actually on our way to the summit of Morakale Gala. This is at one end of the Velangolla Patana. Just unbelievable how she looks from here. Okay people, here we are going towards Morakale Gala summit, or rather one end of the Velangolla Patana. From here you can appreciate the mighty Yahangala, Kehelpadduruwe Gala and Kanavidda Gala really well. They look so beautiful and amazing from here. Approximately Velangolla Patana is 1020 meters. However, our measurement said otherwise, and also the height of Yahangala, which is documented at 1220, turned out to be slightly more when we measured. Once again, we didn't use state-of-the-art equipment, so they were just the basic items, so the chances of us getting a wrong measurement is highly possible. And you can see there's this nice path in the middle. Once again, I would like to remind you, whenever you do treks like this, stick to the already taken paths. Otherwise, if you are going to create new paths, it will be very bad for the flora and fauna, especially endemic to these forest areas. Knuckles has such rich biodiversity despite it being just 0.03% of the landmass of the entire country of Sri Lanka. And I can see my trekking partner today, Hasi, is having a lie down on the summit of Morakale Gala. The reason why this is called Morakale Gala is there used to be mora trees. You know, there's this nice fruit tree called mora, which is quite unique to Sri Lanka. I wonder if it is available anywhere else though. Because of that, this has got the name Morakale Gala. Unfortunately, there are no more such trees available in the area. These are the beauties of Velangolla Patana, saying hi. Now this is the view from Velangolla Patana one end, close to Morakale Gala. You can make out the beautiful Kanavidda Gala and then Kehelpadduruwe Gala, one of our targets to achieve very soon. I hope with the blessings of Kalebandara Deviyo, we'll be able to do that without an issue. Thanks to him, we were able to do the Yahangala hike and come back safely. This is another view of mighty Yahangala. I don't know, she looks so imposing and so proud. I'm not surprised King Ravana the Great made his kingdom here, if he ever did. because just like Lakegala, which is very dear to me, close to my heart, this is such a grand and unique location. We have finally arrived at the summit of Morakale Gala. I have a hard time remembering this name. You can see Hasi is enjoying the mighty Yahan Gala. None of us can get enough of her. He's also trying really hard to ignore the camera. But anyway, we'll go to the summit point and have a look around, people, and get you a 360-degree view from there. This is the view sloping down the Velangolla Patana towards the other end. Looking so green and beautiful. Coming to the left, you can now see the entire plains quite clearly and beautifully. Further to the left is the rocky cliff of mighty Yahangala. This is the mighty Yahangala seen from the top of Morakale Gala. You can see how big she is. I can't even get her into the full frame of the camera. What a beautiful and sexy lady. This is the view from the summit of Morakale Gala towards Kanavidda Gala and Everest of Sri Lanka. What is the name now? Kehelpadduruwe Gala. She is always covered in mist. We rarely got to see the summit of her. Towards the village of Udailuka, we can also make out Bambara Gala and Lendiri Gala. You can see those beautiful paddy fields down below as well. Alright people, we can see the mighty Kehelpadduruwe Gala, 1529 meters in height. She has finally unveiled herself for us to enjoy her beautifully. What a tribute. This is a closer view of the Kanavidda Gala and the Kehelpadduruwe Gala. Just unbelievable. Get ready for the 360-degree view from the summit of Morakale Gala. I need to hurry people because we haven't had any meal since last night. Now it's almost midday. Hasi is already fainted behind me. He's lying on the top of Morakale Gala. We are coming to our beautiful and beloved Yahan Gala now. Right, let's move further to the right. Let's go to Hasalaka and Mahiyangane, where Sorabora Vava is and Hasalaka Vava is. Also the Minipe, Amuna and Mahavali river are there, cultivating the entire country, making us self-sufficient in many ways. Unfortunately, we are not making use of the resources available to us wisely. Look at those cloud patterns, people. Just out of this world. Okay, now we are looking at the entire Velangolla plains. Coming further to the right. This is where Ududumbara, Hasalaka, Mahiyangane A26 road is. There are also some waterfalls nearby. They are Talagune Ella, which is also known as Allegala Ella and Kalugala Hulang Ella, if I am not mistaken. Then there is the Gedaramada Ella. Then there is a cascade chain, that is the Kalugala Garandi Alley cascades. They can all be seen from the Deanston Miniverse end of Hunnaskiriya on your way to Mimure. Now actually we are coming towards that side. Alright, we are coming further to the right now. This is where Bambaragala and Lendirigala are. I wonder if I can make out further to the left Dotaluga and Navanagala mountain ranges too. Remember, the Hasalaka originates from Dotulugala mountain range. Heenganga originates from the mountains in and around Knuckles 5 peaks. And here we come back to Kehelpath Durwegala and Kanavidda Gala. You can probably see the proper point where the arrow had broken the rocky surface. Just unbelievable. Alright people, it's time to end our journey to this beautiful Morakale Gala, one end of the Velangola Pathan, as I've been telling you all this time. The importance of this place is, this is where you can enjoy the mighty Yahan Gala so beautifully and majestically. From here you can see what a grand lady Yahan Gala is. You want to have a look again? Let me oblige. There she is, looking so glamorous. I'm lost for words. I know it happens quite often to me when I go visit mountains. This is no exception. Mind you, this is where King Ravana the Great roamed during his era, thousands of years ago. Anyway, it's time to end our journey then. Remember the golden message from the Ravana's kingdom. I'm sharing this with you. Please help protect our country, protect the nature. No matter how small a thing you can do it for the sake of this country and for your future, your children's future. If you don't do that, this will soon turn out to be one of the deserts in South Asia. That will be a great pity. Therefore, don't wait for the politicians or the authorities to take action. Do your bit. Don't litter. Don't throw garbage. Dispose of them carefully. Don't use plastic and polythene if possible. If you are using them, dispose of them properly. That is really important to do. So with that message, this is Sri and Hasi with our faithful and reliable guide Susantha signing off from Morakale Gala. We'll see you once again hopefully with that beautiful lady in the background. Not the Kanavidda Gala, but the Everest of Sri Lanka. That is Kehelpath Durwegala. Until then, stay safe, take care and cheerio.